Welcome to our screencast on Authentik, the versatile identity provider for small businesses. Today, we'll guide you through using Authentik with Formable to streamline and secure your application access. Here's a quick demo of the Authentik dashboard at Formable, your centralized hub for managing application access. Notice how all our essential applications are neatly organized for easy access. Now let's dive into the administration area. Here, we can set up various providers. Whether it's OAuth 2, OpenID, or Proxy, Authentik simplifies this integration. Each application like Buddybase, Homar, Dashdot, and others are configured here with their respective providers. This ensures secure and streamlined access. Users can be added to Authentik in the directory quickly with just a name and email. Onboarding and managing users in combination with a good password manager like Vault Warden is critical as your operation grows. Back in our applications list, you'll notice that each provider is specifically assigned to an application, ensuring a tailored access approach. Let's access Buddybase first. It's configured with an OpenID Authentik provider. Watch how seamlessly we can log in. Homar simplifies access to all your applications in one place. Dashdot offers a quick glance at server resources. With Portainer, managing Docker becomes a breeze, and Flame serves as an elegant start page. And notice how a proxy provider adds an extra security layer for syncing. Many businesses use WordPress as a CMS for e-commerce and blogging. Here's how Authentik streamlines logging into WordPress. That's it, and if you log out, you can easily return. And the best part? Formable can self-host an Authentik instance for your business, ensuring complete control and customization of your identity management solutions. Ready to elevate your business's identity management with Authentik and Formable? Contact us today to get started.